Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 33 how to access all your bookmarks on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then make sure you have a tweet that has been bookmarked. To now go to your bookmarks, go to the left hand side navigation on the screen, home, explore, notifications, messages, and then bookmarks. Click on this and now we see the tweets that have been bookmarked, so you can then access them quickly if you ever require to. Go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.